Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by validating permissions and tools. You need domain admin or delegated rights, and RSAT installed on your admin workstation. Once done, open Group Policy Management from Server Manager or the Start menu, because that's where you'll create and link policies. Make sure to identify the target container now, an U, site, or domain, and document the intended scope and inheritance. This prevents later surprises with conflicting settings and gives you a clear deployment plan before you create the GPO. You create the GPO by right-clicking the target container and selecting Create a GPO and link it here. Name it with a clear, descriptive convention. Then edit the GPO, expand user configuration and computer configuration to set policies or preferences. Use administrative templates for registry and policy-based settings. If needed, add WMI filters for OS targeting and apply security filtering to limit scope. While editing, test a single setting, then use the Group Policy Results tool to preview impact before broad rollout. You finalize by linking and setting enforcement only if necessary. Avoid heavy use of enforced links because they complicate troubleshooting. Next, target a pilot OU and run gpupdate/force on a test client, then use Group Policy Results and Event Viewer to confirm application. Make sure replication completed across domain controllers and verify sysvol contains the GPO files. If things go wrong, check permissions, replication status, and GPO version numbers. Restore from backup if needed. This single troubleshooting step often resolves missing or partial policy application.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.